See, cheapest entertainment is always a cinema, where you have 6 hours of entertainment, 3 hours inside a theatre, 3 hours outside and they go roam around lunch ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಡೀ ವರ್ಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಚೀಪಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದೂ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
Exactly.
ಸೊ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್, ದೇ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸಿಟ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದಿ ಹೌಸ್. ನೀವು ಎದುರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಬಿಡಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಇವರು ಮಾತಾಡಲಿ. ಪಾಪ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡ್ತಿ ಸೀತಾ, ಇವ್ರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು she will act very well and she will make us also act. That's her caliber. ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯಂ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸರು ಕಣ್ಣು ಬಿಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಂಗಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟು. ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಶಿ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಲೇಟ್, she'll be half the time in the caravan. That's her problem. But once she comes, she makes everybody act. She makes the daughter act, she makes her act. And she gives that, what you say, on the charisma, when somebody has to give the push to the family ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, she plays that role. And she's a very good artist. So now you can tell about me also.
சேனல் ஷோ மாதிரி ஆகிப்போச்சு. சேனல்லாம் ஷோ பண்ண போகும்போது எவ்ரி ஒன் அப்ரிஷியேட் ஈச் அதர். எனிவேஸ் ஐ எம் ஸோ எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் கூட கன்னடா தெரியாது. ஸோ ஐ ஸ்பீக் இன் இங்கிலீஷ். ஐ எம் சர்ப்ரைஸ் டு see Vasu sir speaking such good Kannada. For me it's very good Kannada because since I can't speak a little bit Kannada also. It's a very emotional and serious film, but between the husband and wife there is a kind of chemistry with a lot of comedy, right? It's more humorous, and he gave the permission. Sir gave the permission. Whenever I tried to, since he can understand Malayalam, whenever I say a dialogue in Malayalam which is a counter to whatever sir is saying, he accepted it. He said, yeah, it's good, it's giving a good thing, because he can understand Malayalam. He accepted it. And also they could give that proper Kannada thing for that counter which I am saying. So without a director with such a free mind, we cannot perform so openly. And about the actor Ravichandran sir, I have never seen his other movies, but for me the actor is like who is standing in front of me. He always gives such a good vibe and such a good positivity. I don't know how much difficult it was for him to reciprocate to whatever I was doing, because since my language is another, I'm coming from Malayalam, I must be pronouncing the words in a wrong way, but he was always supportive. So I think I could do well. And of course the producers are from our side, so they were all naturally we were having a good rapport. And sir is one hero which I have, Ravichandran sir is one hero which I have seen, who is so much affectionate and passionate and compassionate towards everyone in the location, not only to one person or
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೈಗೆ ತಟ್ರಿ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಗೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
so I
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು, ವೆರಿ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್. ಹೇಳ ನಗೊಂದು
had it been in Malayalam I would have told very nicely when
I picture serious so they are all
ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ರವಿ ಸರ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ರವಿ ಸರ್
ಸರ್ ನಾ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ,
ಹಾಡು ನೋಡಿದೆ,
but part I have seen, the songs I have seen. The plus point of
ನಮ್ದು ನೋಡೋದೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಡ್ ನೈಟ್ ಮಸಾಲ ಹಾಡು.
the plus point of the songs were like I love his song called Yamma Yamma.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ 11:30, ಮಿಡ್ ನೈಟ್ ಮಸಾಲ ಬರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪೇನಿದೆ.
So I love that song and I have used that song lyric in the film. While a scene I have used it because in the movie
ಬೇರೊಬ್ಬರದ್ದು ಫುಲ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ನಂದೊಂದು ಹಾಡು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು.
And that song I have seen, Navile Navile, I love that song, the kind of picturization he had made for that song. And he is one director who has made the actresses look so beautiful, that from the songs which I have seen.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
The one song which I have seen with Saundarya ma'am, I
Bangar,
really loved that song also. Yeah, the shots also I really loved. And sir, I'm so happy and I feel, not for a formality, I really feel blessed to work with Ravichandran sir and Vasu sir.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್? ಇನ್ನು ಕಲರ್
ಇವು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಇವಳು. ನೀವು ಯು ಗಿವ್ ಹರ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಶಿ ವಿಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್.
I didn't get it.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಲಮ್
He will make you glamorous. I will make you glamorous in the next film.
So I don't know about this part because since I have not seen his films, but it must be entertaining for the audience. That's why they have accepted all the films. But I'll tell you one thing from what I have heard from his what I have heard from him is that he says women is the best creature which has been made by God. So the most beautiful creature. So this kind of a statement can be made only by a good human being. So I don't know about the glamour, about the. I also tell him that every song has a Miley Raghu, that peacock feather and all. But he is a very good human being.
You have done that Rangoli, with the peacock after going for Onam.
For my Onam celebration, I have updated it in my Insta. If you can watch, I have made a rangoli with a peacock, but
Not that intention.
Not my
with that intention. But sir was telling this is the hangover of Mr. Ravichandran, which you made a rangoli, not a rangoli, flower, pookalam we say attapu for our Onam.
ಎಮ್ಮೋ ಟೈಪ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಪಂಡ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಾದ್ರಿ ಸಾಂಗ್
ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿನಗೇನಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಡು ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಿದೆ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು
No, I'll tell you, sir.
ಅವ್ರ ಗ್ಲಾಮರ್ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ
ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ?
Sir, if he is calling for a film, he knows who I am.
There's a mutual respect
So-
between the hero and heroine, director and the heroine, everything
So
can
he
happen.
will
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. The
he
mutual
will
respect.
call me only for what I really deserve.
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಗ್ಲಾಮರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ ಇಲ್ವ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ
See, there is a difference, there is a thin line between sensuality and sexuality. If you're talking about sensuality, I'm all there. That's it.
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ವೆನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ದೇ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಟ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ದಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಷ್ಟೇ.